Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel Tech It Simple. In this tutorial, we're going to look at how to disable notifications on Bumble. Now, let's begin. Right here's the Bumble application. I had already installed it and logged in. I'm simply going to click on it. Then, as you can see, right here is Bumble. Let's simply go to Profile. The button's right here at the bottom left, and here is my profile. Let's go to Settings right here. Once you're in the Settings page, simply scroll down till you see something like Notification Settings. Click on it. Right here, and this will open up. Well, there are lots of notifications that you can turn on or turn off. Click on any one of them, and this will pop up. Well, as you can see, the notifications are now enabled. In case you want to disable them, toggle off this button, and there you go. Let's try for others. I'm going to disable these notifications as well. And guys, that's it. That's how you disable notifications on Bumble. It's as easy as that. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.